Hello everybody, I finally after a long break decided to make another quad, and I'm starting off with a micro. So for the frame I'm using a TBS micro 2.5 inch frame. For the motors I'm using Asian 1104 6000 kV motors. For the ESC and the flight controller I'm using the SpeedyBee F7 20x20 stack. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, so you can pretty much control all your settings from your mobile app once it's on board. This is a 20x20 35 amp 4-in-1 ESC. For the long range system I'm gonna use this ELRS tiny receiver, which I've already flashed with the latest firmware. For the video transmitter I'm gonna use this Rush Tiny Tank VTX, which has a max power output of about 350 milliwatts. For the cam I'm using a 1200 TV line ANT cam. It's really tiny and so it's perfect for this micro build, and the aspect ratio is 4:3, so which is also good for flying. For this antenna, it's circular polarized antenna, definitely 5.8 gigahertz, but it's a side feed antenna from True RC. So effectively what that means is you don't have to bend it because it's already kind of that. Along with that, what I'm also going to be using is this tiny LED to give it some glam. Probably like mount them on the arms in the back here. On the motors I'm going to use this Gemfan 2023 3-blade props. They're pretty stiff, so they should give a bit of a punch, and we'll see how that goes after I've done the building and testing and everything. I've put a link to all the parts below the video for anybody who wants to go and buy stuff and do it themselves. And along with this you need some solder, some good flux, and a good soldering iron. Almost complete now. As you can see, I've mounted the VTX now on the standoffs. Yeah, and what I've also done is I've just used some hot glue to glue the LEDs in place, and the receiver. I've just put the receiver out back, maybe like half a centimeter distance from the carbon fiber. Hopefully the ceramic antenna will give me some decent range without interference. Alright, so it's pretty much done. I have wired this, wired the beeper as well. The beeper sticks there. I didn't have to glue it in. And as I said before, I'm keeping the battery bottom. And what I've also done is I've put this through the hole here. I'm going to hold on to this. That's your gyro working, it's on. But if you put it to it doesn't fight it back. That's what your acro mode is. But if I put this to, see, it's trying to auto level.